How to turn off headphone mode on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, if you have headphones on, simply remove it, unplug it, then on your phone go to settings. You'll find sounds and vibration. In here you'll find headphone modes option. From here you can simply turn it off. This option is not available on my device, but it can be available on your device. If you can't find the device settings, simply you can also restart your phone and try it again. After that, your headphones mode will be turned off. This is how to turn off headphone mode on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.